What's up, Internet? It's me, Bumbles1314 from the Bumbles1314 Internet channel, back with another video. And we're on my tutorials account once again. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. And I joined a day ago. This isn't my real account, so now it's create a new project. And also, I wonder if... No, I don't have access to cloud variables yet. Which is why I have which is why I carried which is why I carried along which is why I'm carrying along a cloud variable because I'm not allowed to use cloud variables yet because I joined a day ago. Also, cloud variables are too complex for beginners, so let's get started. Alright, so I have done a quiz and I showed you guys how to do talking and new score and what else did I do in that video? Oh yeah, the smooth mouse effect. And I may also so I did 5 how to do's so far, and that makes me run out of ideas. Maybe we'll how about we make like a capture game. So first let's choose a sprite. However, I'm choosing a sprite because I'm lazy. And what we do is now let's set the size to 50. We're not making Flappy Bird because I'm not really that good at making Flappy Bird. So now what we want to do is we want to make it so that you can move it with the arrow keys. To do this, let's have it move with the arrow controls. So we need drag out one green flag clicked and then drag out forever, and then drag out 4 if thens for the arrow keys. Then drag that all inside. Now what you want to do is grab out 4 ors to put on each one. Dang, I did not know that would rhyme. And now what you want to do is do the controls. So for the up control, I'm gonna do up arrow or W. So that or you can just do just W or just up arrow, but I'm doing this. I'll be back when I'm done with the controls. So you can have this be left, you can have this be right, you can have this be down, you can have it be in any order you'd like, but I'm just doing it in a good order. I'll be right back. And we're done. So now we want to make a move. So to make a move up, we're going to have it be changing Y by 10. And now put in a repeat until, and then drag out not, and then an or block. Put the or inside, and then put in, or if you wanted to speed things up, you can just duplicate that code. As you can see, I can now move up, but let's go to the Y0, and it's gonna be right here when the game starts. So have it be at so please have it be at so how about we have it be at x negative 60 and y 0. So please have this coordinates set for when you hit the green flag. And now what we want to do is now let's do it for the right arrow. Make sure make sure to grab out a repeat until and make sure to do it again. So let's put those all in there. And then drag out them all into the repeat until things. And this will prevent any odd pauses. So now we want to go back, and for the left arrow we need to do change X. Change X will basically be moving to the right, so we need to move it to the left. So have it be changing X by -10. And for the right arrow, have it be moving by 10, and for the down arrow, have it be moving down by 10. Now we got simple controls. And of course the letters work. But some people prefer using the K, L semicolon, and I keys, but the semicolon is not really available in this category, so it is. So I'll be right back. Alright, we back. And yeah, if you've done all this, great job, but now we need to make something to capture. We need to choose something from the library again. We can't just do cat food because that's way too simple. Did Scratch add this? Or, wait, did we get a new update or something? I never even seen this retro robot before. Maybe it's just a new update. Maybe it's just a new update. Maybe it is. And they still did not add dangos. Bummer. I'll do a food section. Fortune cookie, fruit salad, glass of water. And what do we have? What do cats like? What do cats like? I guess the Scratch cat likes apples. That is way too big, so it's set to maybe size to 30. Let's put a set size block. Set size to 50. And one green flag. Click set size to 30. Sorry if that was way too loud. I'm so sorry. My microphone just fell off. And now what we need to do is create a score and a high score. Luckily, I showed you guys how to make a high score in the last video, so you should be able to know how to do it. Now delete my variable. And show the high score variable. So this right here is a high score. I'll put it in the corner. But the problem is the apple is really small, so let's set this nice to 50. If it's nowhere visible on anywhere, maybe behind one of the variables. So now we want to. Now since we have that, we now need to make a score variable. Score for all sprites. Now we need to make it so that when it touches the cat, it will change the score by 1. So drag out an if-else. So drag out an if-else loop, and then drag out a touching mouse pointer, and then cat fly, and then do your flying thing. And if it's touching the cat that's flying, it will basically change score by 1. I'll set the score to 0 when the game is restarted. I'll put these two variables in the corners. Now what we want to put in the else portion, it'll just do nothing. Let's change this to an if. Now what we want to do is we need to make it go to a random position because you can gain infinite points. But you're probably asking, Bumblebee was born. What is the problem? Well, you see, it is when we collect the apple, it will go up to minus a billion. So we need to make a sound effect. I'll do this off screen. There we go. So I create a sound effect. I'll do it for now. Record. Perfect. Now, let's have a player sound or sound until done. Now I want to make it so that it goes to a random position, but sometimes this will just malfunction. So to fix that, we need to have the score be to 0, even when we restart the project. To do this, we need to have it set to the letter 1 of 0, which is 0. But this won't fix our bug. So what we want to do is we want to basically make it change to 0 no matter how much times you click the green flag. To do this, grab on one green flag clicked and then grab a forever and then if that. Now if the score is more than 0, and then it will set the score to 0. I'm recording a video. Mom, I'm recording a video. Don't say my real name out loud. Now, let's eat the apple. For some reason, I'm recording a video. But I'm recording a video. I'm recording a Scratch tutorial. Sorry, guys. That was my mom. I just have a lot of problems. So now we need to make it go to random position after it plays a sound effect. To do this, we need to select we now want to go to a random position. Put it right out. Make sure to put it. Now this basically fixes the issue because, yeah, now we don't need this anymore. I hope. as you can see, we now fixed the issue, and yeah, please don't say nice in the comments. Now what? Now to make this game real good, let's basically add a let's make our high score working. Luckily, you already know how this works, so you can just skip through this. So yeah, I'm just recording it in case if you did not watch the last video. Now if you want to, you can add some background music. I'll add some background music, and I'll be right back. Now I chose a song. Now what we want to do is drag out a forever loop and play sound until done. I'll get a good high scores and I'll share it. But anyways, that's all I have for today.